Welcome to Tata Chem DAV Public School Mithapur online classes. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi, your maths teacher for class 5. Today we are going to start lesson 2, operation on large numbers. In this chapter, we have to solve worksheet 2 word problems. Let's start with question number 1. Solve the following word problems. Number A. A soap factory produced 26,92,645 soap cakes in 1 year. In the next year, it produced 8,67,205 soap cakes more. How many soap cakes did the factory produce in the second year? To find the solution, first you tell me what we have to do in this question, addition or subtraction. See the last statement. How many soap cakes did the factory produce in 2 years? Means you have to find out total number of soap cakes the factory produced in 2 years. So in this question we have to do addition. Okay, the first statement. A soap factory produced soap cakes in 1 year is equal to 26,92,645. The second statement. A soap factory produced soap cakes in next year is equal to 8,67,205. Now we draw a line so our answer can go below it, and we write a plus sign on the left to show that we are adding. Then we write the third statement, and the third statement is a soap factory produced soap cakes in 2 years is equal to, see, the periods have been separated with commas. First, arrange the numbers in proper way to find the answer. As usual, we start adding from ones, then tens, then 100 and so on. So let's start by adding these two large numbers together. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 0 we will write in ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Then add the digit of tens place. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So 5 we will write in tens place. Then add the digit of 100 place. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So 8 we will write in 100 place. Then add the digit of 1000 place. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So 9 we will write in 1000 place. Then add the digit of 10,000 place. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So 5 we will write in 10,000 place and carry 1 to the lakh place. Then add the digit of lakh place. 1 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 15. So 5 we will write in lakh place and carry 1 to the 10 lakh place. Then add the digit of 10 lakh place. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the answer is 35,59,850. Then we will write the last statement. A factory produced 35,59,850 soap cakes in 2 years. Let's solve the next question. Question number B. In 1 year, Mr. Mohan earned rupees 5,57,088. His wife earned rupees 3,23,672 and their son earned rupees 2,96,750. How much money did Mr. Mohan's family earn in 1 year? To find the solution, first you tell me what we have to do in this question, addition or subtraction. See the last statement. How much money did Mohan's family earn in 1 year? Means we will find out total amount did Mohan's family earn in 1 year. So in this question we will do addition. Okay, the first statement. Amount Mr. Mohan earned is equal to rupees 5,57,088. Second statement. amount his wife earned is equal to rupees 3,23,672. Third statement, amount his son earned is equal to rupees 2,96,750. Now we draw a line so our answer can go below it, and we write a plus sign on the left to show that we are adding. Then we write the fourth statement, and the fourth statement is amount Mr. Mohan's family earned in 1 year is equal to C. The periods have been separated with commas. First, arrange the numbers in the proper way to find the answer. As usual, we start adding from ones, then tens, then 100 and so on. So let's start by adding these three large numbers together. First, add the digit of ones place. 8 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 10. So 0 we will write in ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Then add the digit of tens place. 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 21. So 1 we will write in tens place and carry 2 to the hundreds place. Then add the digit of hundreds place. 2 plus 0 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 15. So 5 we will write in hundreds place and carry 1 to the thousands place. Then add the digit of thousands place. 1 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 17. So 7 will write in thousands place and carry 1 to the 10,000 place. Then add the digit of 10,000 place. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 17. So 7 we will write in 10,000 place and carry 1 to the lakh place. Then add the digit of lakhs place. 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 11. So 11 we will write in the lakhs place. So the answer is rupees 11,77,510. And the last statement is Mr. Mohan's family earned rupees 11,77,510 in 1 year. Let us solve the next question. Question number C. In an examination conducted by an educational organization, 15,83,693 candidates appeared. Out of this, 7,49,865 passed. How many candidates fell in the examination? To find the solution, first you tell me what we have to do in this question, addition or subtraction. See the last statement. How many candidates fell in the examination? See, the total number of candidates are given and past candidates are also given, and fell candidate we will find out. So in this question we will do subtraction. The first statement is candidates appeared in the examination is equal to 15,83,693. The second statement is candidate passed in the examination is equal to 7,49,865. Now we will draw a line so our answer can go below it, and we will write a minus sign on the left to show that we are subtracting. Then we will write the third statement, and the third statement is candidates fell in the examination is equal to, everyone know the subtraction, so the answer is 8,33,828, and the last statement is there are 8,33,828 candidates fell in the examination. Question number D. In an election, the winning candidate got 6,28,496 votes and his rival got 4,56,298 votes. If 3,846 votes were declared invalid. What was the total number of votes polled? To find the solution, first you tell me what we have to do in this question. Addition or subtraction? See the last statement. What was the total number of votes polled? So, in this question, we will do addition. The first statement is votes the winning candidate got is equal to 6,28,496. The second statement is votes the rival candidate got is equal to 4,56,298. The third statement is invalid votes is equal to 3,846. Now we draw a line so our answer can go below it, and we will write a plus sign on the left to show that we are adding. Then we will write the fourth statement, and the fourth statement is write the total number of votes polled is equal to, everyone know the addition. So do the addition, and the answer is 10,88,640. And the last statement is the total number of votes polled are 10,88,640. For the last question, question number E. Find the sum of the greatest 8-digit, 7-digit and 6-digit numbers. C. Find the sum means plus, and plus means addition. So to find the solution in this question, we will do addition. Everyone know the greatest 8-digit number, 7-digit number and 6-digit number. So the first statement is the greatest 8-digit numbers is equal to 9,99,99,999. Second statement, the greatest 7-digit number is equal to 99,99,999. And the third statement is the greatest 6-digit number is equal to 9,99,999. Now we will draw a line so our answer can go below it, and we will write a plus sign on the left to show that we are adding. Then we will write the fourth statement, and the fourth statement is the sum of the greatest 6-digit, 7-digit and 8-digit numbers is equal to, do the addition, everyone know the addition, and the answer is 11,999,997. And the last statement is the sum of greatest 8-digit, 7-digit and 6-digit numbers is 11,999,997. Hope you will understand all the problem sums. Children, please write all the word problems with solution once in your Maths CW and practice all the sums once in rep book also, because more you practice, more you clear the concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.